Ang tagal, Jeff. Your voice muna.
Your voice was the soundtrack of my summer. Do you know you're unlike any other? You'll always be my thunder, and I say, your voice. Dapat na lakas. Ice pala. Your Go. By the brightest of colors. Video na lang ha.
Sige.
Never dapat doc ito eh. Bis mag-upload.
May compilation.
Nakagawa lang kayo ng umaga. Gawa na bro.
Sige na. Go.
Alam ko rin yan. Can you believe that we have been this way I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core, but hold your breath, 'cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't just masyado malakas hindi narinig. Siguro like this is confidence. Wow! Hindi na narinig. Pagod na ako.
Isa pa, Vinny.
Rap naman yung
Uy, maganda sila. Breathe in so deep. Breathe me in. I'm lost again. On the team. Makakatakamot ka sa takamot. Cheat. Mga sila mo. I'm a movie. Snap. Sleep. Cause tonight will be for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't see another day. I swear it's true. It's a girl like you. Oh my God! Oil yan! Dahil oil yan! Alam mo, gawa ka pa rin yung channel ha? Lagyan mo rin yung tipin niya.
Game next song. Sige na, parang kumata ko si Bed.
Starships.
Starships nga. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Let's get away.
Starships.
Ano ko memory?
Gusto ko may rap.
Starships were meant to fly. This was for the boys with a booming system. Tap down 18 with a cooling system. When it comes to the club, we be blazing up. Get sacks on deck like 7 up. And the ill, the real, he might get a deal. Hip hop ballers and get a right to the bed. He cold, he's not. Cold,
Yo, into the air, but you never fly good. But you never fly go. Chia motherfucking chip chip.
He was in there, but he never like go.
Chia motherfucking chip chip.
Chip,
Chop 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 chop.
That's gonna be the
5, 6.
boy. You got my heart going Can you be that super bass? Boom 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 Iba yung mga joke nyo. Sige na, i-joke nyo na. Yung mga mashup ko. Yung MMK.
Lapit kayo dito. Ang hirap eh. Go.
Sino yung mga Grabe. Si Reggie na lang. Parang dyan eh. Go Reggie. Naka-video ka. Music on.
Right there. In front of the camera.
Sige. Yung mga joke mo. Show ko. Yung mga joke niyo ninyo. Bukas na lang. Bukas.
Paano, bebe?
Yung masak siya.
Masya ka muna.
Kukwento niya yung kung paano siya na-shock. Kasi ninakawan daw siya.
Oh, tapos?
Ninakawan daw sila sa bahay, naakyat bahay gang.
Kailan?
Kagabi.
Oh.
Tapos, paano ka ma-shock?
Ikaw na lang, gayahin mo na lang.
Sabi niya. Sabi niya, na-shock na ako. Sabi namin, paano ka na-shock? Sabi ko, na siya. Ang dami niyang naiisip ka kanina. Tapos ang saya-saya pa niya nakakawan.
Ano
Ano mo, nakakatawa ka pa? Okay, naging ako. Wala na siyang desktop.
Seryoso?
Tapos pinagalitan pa daw siya ng nanay niya. Sabi niya, asan yung cellphone ko? Tapos sabi niya, hindi ko alam. Tapos pag-isip niya, asan yung desktop? Ay, sa'yo.
Uy, kanta. Ang tagal, kanta.
Kanta ka ba? Ano ba mga ano dyan? Nakatawa na ba yung Lips of an Angel? Eto, magandang kanta to.
Blank.
Blank.
Jem, kanta pa. I'll be.
Ulit?
Eh, ikaw bahala.
Wala naman.
Tagal, Jem. Jeremy.
Yan ang mga kanta.
Jemery.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Bebe, kanta pa. Stop na.